Today I'm going to show you how you can collaborate with team members on your video project in Google Vids. Okay, so we're here in one of our projects in Google Vids and we want to collaborate. So let's click on share over here. We want to make sure that at the bottom over here under general access, we want to select anyone with the link. Now, by default, this will be restricted. So this means only people with access can open the link and you'll be using this top section here. So if you'd like to add in perhaps an email address over here, then these people will be available and have access to this project and this project only. But if you would like to just not invite people, but just give the link out to people, then you can go under general access, anyone with the link, and on the right over here, from viewer, come down to editor, it will update, and then click on copy link, and then you can send this link to whoever you want. If you're wanting to send it via WhatsApp or SMS or even email, whatever it is that you prefer, and you can do this. Now you, as well as anybody else that has access, will be able to work on this particular project in real time.